Selamat pagi. Today we are going to Bedugul with a bunch of friends. Let's see what happens. Ayo.
Aman kakak.
Asal tali Bedugul.
Silakan ada penjaga tempat juga.
Bapak.
Kamu harus bahagia.
This is nuts. It's so beautiful here. The greenery, the nature, the sound.
Hari ini kita mau ke Bedugul, Bedug dan Kulkul. Kita mau holiday jalan-jalan.
Selamat pagi.
Ya boleh, ya lebih baik.
Siap.
Ayo kita, let's go, let's ride.
What's up vlog? Welcome to my guys. So we have made it about an hour and a half from Canggu. Try that again. It's about an hour and a half from Canggu to Bedugul. The place we're at is Kubu di Bedugul. It's so beautiful to get out to places like this where you can see it's surrounded by mountains. We have this beautiful lake behind us. And yeah, just a really nice area to gather with a group of friends. So we're gonna enjoy this and take you along on the ride. Tomorrow morning we are on a waterfall mission, so we're gonna go and find a waterfall in the morning. But that's probably about 6 AM tomorrow. For the rest of the day, we are chilling, probably gonna have some drinks, makan, nikmati aja. We got boats, and we're definitely gonna go out on one. Sedikit takut. I'm gonna use this one here. Some oars here. See how this goes. But I think it's trying to rain. What do you guys think? Think I'm gonna fall in, or do you think we'll be alright? Let's find out. Aman.
Aman kakak.
So we almost fell off going under the bridge, but we haven't fallen off yet. I'm sat on it the wrong way, but I wanted to face that way, so that's why I'm sat on it this way. Karena aku takut. I think I need the help. Yeah. I'm gonna help. Ayo semuanya. I'm scared. Takut hampir jatuh.
Dia salah loh posisinya, nggak mau putar balik. Ya udah gue yang putar balik.
Gak mau balik.
Bang tadinya kasih ini.
Just do not want to move. This is nice though, man. Wah. Sepi. Tenang.
Nongkrong lah kita.
Nongkrong in the lake. We made it. Matahari.
Matahari menyinari dengan terasa anjing.
Pulang. Ke Canggu, ayo. Mau ke mana? Ke sana. Oke, ayo. This is so much fun. This is the best idea if you just want to get away with a bunch of friends. Ayo, this way. This way. Maaf kak. Bro, no, bro, no. Jangan. Ya. Cukup. Ya. Jangan. No. Jangan. That was good. Amazing. Bagus?
So fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a good time, bro.
Look at the views you get from every angle in this place. Look at that. And then when you come through, you got this. Wah, mantap.
Mantap jiwa, jiwa mantap. Blok.
We went out on the boats and we've just been chilling, listening to some music. It is 3:15 and I think we're gonna go get food around 4 o'clock and then get some drinks, come back here and spend the night chilling, and then tomorrow morning a waterfall mission. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll see you in a bit. 50. Mau makan?
Lapar.
Let's have a look. Ayo makan.
Ayo makan.
Ayo makan.
Makan. Ayo makan.
Nice man, look at this nice place. So you can stay here as well. They got rooms and a garden at the front as well. Sini, bisa tinggal sini juga.
Bisa.
Hah?
Check it out.
View-nya bagus. Makan dulu.
Lihat ya.
Maaf, ada tahu tempe?
Ya.
Ada tahu tempe? Nggak ada. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Nasi goreng tanpa daging.
Nasi goreng tanpa daging.
Bisa?
Ya.
Sama telur dan sayur. Kasih
Pedas.
sedikit pedas. Sedikit aja. Kasih ya.
Kakak mau pilih. Kenalkan. Bapak
Nama saya Adam.
Adam Sandi.
Sandi.
yang
Ya,
punya
senang
tempat
kenal,
ini.
Sandi.
Apa?
Oh, pemiliknya?
Ya,
Asal dari Bedugul.
asli sini. Adam dari mana?
Asal Inggris.
Oh, Inggris.
Ya, ya dari Inggris.
Sudah lama di Indonesia ya?
Sudah 3 tahun di Bali.
Di Bali.
3 tahun setengah.
3 tahun. Sudah pasti bahasa Indonesia.
Iya.
Belum lancar.
Dia
kedepannya.
bikin konten untuk nge-trip, terus ngobrol sama orang lokal.
Ya.
Oh, oke.
Iya, ada
Saya suka belajar tentang budayanya, tentang
Budaya,
hidupnya,
oke,
daerah lain di
Ya,
Bali.
ya, ya.
Seperti ini.
Oke,
Bisa bikin
Dan.
video di sini, Pak?
Bisa, silakan.
Bisa.
Terima kasih banyak.
Ayo kita lihat-lihat.
Ya, silakan Adam. Ya.
Itu tempatnya juga, ini tempatnya.
Oh, sini juga. Wow.
Ya, silakan.
Bisa.
Luar
Rapi.
biasa. Ayo ke di depan.
Sana. Ayo.
Hey. Terima kasih, Pak.
Ya, silakan. Ayo, ya.
What a nice man. So he was originally from here, and this is his amazing. Wow, look at this. And they have more rooms at the back as well. Unbelievable. What a beautiful place. Like I said, just goes to show that for a beautiful place you don't need to break the bank and spend too much. You can find these places at a good price. Not expensive, not cheap, but perfect. I mean, I'm sharing a room, so it was 150k for our room. Usually 300,000 for the night with that view. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Lagi.
Third round.
Third round. Lapar.
Iya.
Nasi goreng sama telur dan sayur. Ayo makan. Lama makan. Dia tanya pedas, saya bilang sedikit tapi pasti masih terlalu pedas buat bule.
Sekali. Yang kayak lagi kayak di sana.
Sedikit pedas,
Sedikit pedas.
lumayan. Enak.
Yang keempat.
Still eating.
Lama udah tadi.
Oh my god. Semuanya. I'm gonna eat, so I'm gonna turn you off. I'll see you in a bit. Apa nih?
Ini ikan mujair nyat-nyat.
Bujayannya ya.
Ya. Mujair nyat-nyat. Enak sekali.
Enak.
Enak sekali.
Selamat makan.
Terima kasih. Saya makan ya.
I went to the shop just to get some necessities, a couple of beers, and then the remote key for my bike broke, and I was stuck there for about half an hour until I got help and I could change the battery in the remote. But we've just got back. We're gonna hang out, drink some beers, all out, just have a great night. I'll see you in the morning. But first, check this out.
kamu Adam. Kamu harus bahagia dan itu perlu, brother. Yeah. Peace.
The next morning we woke up to this incredible view. Even with a headache from the night before and only a few hours of sleep, nothing could stop me from enjoying this morning. Before heading off on our waterfall mission, the guys needed breakfast first.
Selamat pagi, salam sejahtera, sehat selalu, bahagia selalu buat kita semua.
Apaan lagi?
Makan sarapan dulu, ini berenang. Mulai dari nol ya.
Mulai dari nol. Yuk, berangkat.
Oh, dingin bro. Dingin banget.
We stopped at this spot where there's always monkeys but a really good view.
Selamat pagi. Kamu apa kabar monyet? Oh ya, handphone, be careful.
Oh, wait.
Ayo.
Wait di pagi. Bagus ya? Enak.
Enak ya?
Enak. Ayo. Yuk. Terus. Quick pit stop. Beautiful view. Bro, I thought that monkey was gonna kill me, bro. Off to the waterfall.
Selamat pagi. Oh, gratis ya?
Kalau lebih awal, gratis.
Let's go to the waterfall.
Welcome to Banyumala.
Banyumala.
Silakan.
What a beautiful morning this will be. The sound, nature. Look at this. Views, man. Oh my god. Bali and that beautiful Bali, man. Woo. Licin, hati-hati. Hati-hati, licin. Hey. I forgot to bring water, which is never a good thing, but I got coffee, so. Whoa. Yo, this is so nice. It's crazy that you can wake up and feel really rough and come to a place such as this and instantly, like, you just feel rejuvenated. Oh, shit. Check this out. This is nuts. It's so beautiful here. The greenery, the nature, the sound. That was was amazing. We all had a good swim. The best way to start a day, in my opinion. Not even 9 o'clock, and I needed that today. As soon as we got here, I felt amazing. Jumped into the water. I feel so much better. Capek.
Capek?
Dingin.
Capek?
Panas.
Panas nih. I mean, look at this place.
Di sini tempat buat camping.
Oh, bisa camping.
Jadi iya, tapi harus bilang sama warga sini.
You can actually camp here. That's cool. Oh, I didn't see this.
The best waterfall in Bali.
For sure.
For me, I think not waterfall, but in here is the best. Banyumala
Yeah.
waterfall.
Banyumala. But my lord, wow.
The power of nature, bro.
It's crazy, right? We're gonna head back to Kubu di Bedugul, place where we've been staying. I think we're gonna head back there, probably drink some coffee.
Lato like the play toy. My BG, my player. Plak, 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 plak. Plastic. Lato, man. Because I'm not used underwear. Ya, nggak pakai celana pendek. Kita naik motor kena angin. Plak, 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 plak.
Orang gila.
So beautiful, so paradise. Thanks God, thanks God, thanks nature.
Thanks nature. Beautiful. We are back at our place, checking out in 40 minutes. So that is it for this video. Terima kasih sudah nonton video ini. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, share, comment di bawah. Go steady, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.